Students, synonyms are words that have same meaning. Learning synonyms helps you to speak or write English in better. Today lets us learn few words in 10th Standard English textbook. Empowered women navigating the world. Empowered. Endowed. INSV Tarini has an array of satellite communication systems. Array. Collection. Burglars, she shouted, intuitively. Intuitively. Instinctively. He wanted to go back to bed. I gripped his arm. Gripped. Grasped. Technology impacts the environment, people and the society as a whole. The way we use technology determines if its impacts are positive to the society or negative. Impacts. Influences. Recap. Empowered. Endowed. Array. Collection. Intuitively. Instinctively. Gripped. Grasped. Impacts. Influences. Consumable products such as ink cartridges may be capable of self-ordering replacements when the current level falls below a certain threshold. Consumable. Disposable. Consumable products such as ink cartridges may be capable of self-ordering replacements when the current level falls below a certain threshold. Threshold. Point or edge. I suspected next that it was a burglar. He always half suspected that something would get him in the night. Suspected. Doubted. The sun was now ascending the sky. Ascending. Rising. Recap. Consumable. Disposable. Threshold. Point or edge. Suspected. Doubted. Ascending. Rising. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. Beneath. Below. He even gnawed at the dried pieces of eggshell. Gnawed to bite or chew something repeatedly. Chewed. His father was preening the feathers on his white back. Preening. Cleaning feathers with beak. Cleaning. He then trotted back and forth from one end of the ledge to the other. Trotted. Go or walk briskly. Jogged. But he kept calling plaintively, and after a minute or so, he uttered a joyful scream. Plaintively. Sadly. Recap. Beneath. Below. Gnawed. Chewed. Preening. Cleaning. Trotted. Jogged. Plaintively. Sadly. He fell outwards and downwards into space. His mother had swooped upwards. Swooped, swoop. To move very quickly and easily through the air. Swooped. Dived. He just felt a bit dizzy. Dizzy. Giddy. Dizzy. Giddy. He completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly, and commenced to dive and soar, shrieking shrilly. Commence. Started. Swooped. Dived. Dizzy. Giddy. Commence. Started. Thank you all for watching our videos. Subscribe, like and click bell icon. Have fun.